Welcome back. I know the last lesson was a relatively long one, but very important to what we're doing, and that's practicing regex within these exercises and lessons. So now that we're able to pull out our email data within a string value in JavaScript, it's going to be relatively easy to output that content back into our finished text area. And there's also a few other things that we still need to do. So inner text, and set that inner text to email data. So it's as easy as that. And let's try our application out. And in this case, we're only going to have the 4. We do get emails. So there is actually still one problem. So if I do that, I'm actually going to end up with 16 emails. So we want to remove out the duplicates. So that's problematic, and it's always best practices to remove out the extra emails. And we can also add in a span here and a class. So this will tell us how many emails that we do have. And I'm going to select our JavaScript. So setting up our const counter equals document and query selector so that we have a count for the number of emails. And we can do this really easily, of course, as well. So just as we're updating our inner HTML or inner text of our email data, we can also say that emails found. So we can say emails found and add in a number. And we've got a number there within the data length value. So refresh that and we can see emails found, 4 emails in text. So we get that value coming out. So coming up next, so it's as easy as that to output it and output our generator. And there's one thing that is missing, that we don't want duplicate emails. We want to be able to remove out those duplicate emails. So I'll show you how to do that in the upcoming lesson, where we're going to check for duplicates and remove out any of the duplicates and add in and create a unique string being returned back of email addresses. Because most of the time when you've got a document, you've got email addresses, you're trying to extract those out, you don't want to have all the duplicates. So let's take care of that in the upcoming lesson. So go ahead in this lesson and this section, add into your application the ability to count the number of emails that you found, as well as output that value so the user can easily select that content. So coming up next, removing of duplicates.